this is Manisha and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to answer most frequently asked question, how I started my freelancing journey. In this video, I am going to answer how I started my freelancing journey, how I got my first freelancing project, how I got my first client. The fun fact about this video, not video actually, my freelancing journey is when I started my freelancing journey, I had no idea that these platforms entertain graphic designers. I had zero idea about it that you can submit your profile, you can create your account as a service provider, as a graphic designers and get projects from others. And the sad part about this video is that these platform has stopped entertaining graphic designers, these kind of service providers. And I'm sure you will be shocked to know the platform which I'm going to tell you later in this video. You will be like, I didn't know this platform has this option. Because whenever I tell someone that how I started my freelancing journey, they are totally like, I didn't know this platform had this option. Thanks for letting me know about it. Okay, so the platform is Urban Clap. I started my freelancing journey with Urban Clap. I had zero idea, I have zero clue about that Urban Clap entertained graphic designers or these kind of service providers. So now let me tell you the fun part about this video, that how I actually got to know about this platform, that this platform entertains graphic designers or these kind of service providers. There was some kind of problem in my laptop and I was looking for an engineer. So there was a category called computer or maybe something else. So in computer there was some kind of services, other services as well, like graphic designer, architecture, engineer, few more services were there. Excited to see that there was a graphic designing services as well. So I have already decided that I would definitely try it later, but as of now let's book this engineer and get this sorted out. After that I talked to that engineer first, that how Urban Clap works. He told me that you have to buy some points from Urban Clap, like you have to pay 100 rupees to the Urban Clap, and Urban Clap will give you 100 points in your account, and you have to give quotation to the clients. This was the negative point in that platform. If you are just giving quotation to the client, the points will be deducted from your account. So this was quite of negative thing. Even if your application would not be accepted, your points would not be returned to you. So this was kind of a negative point which I didn't like about it platform. Though the experience with the platform, the Urban Clap partner, was really good for me. I used this platform Urban Clap partner for almost 1 year, and after that Urban Clap partner stopped entertaining graphic designers, and my experience was really good with it. काफ़ी अच्छे clients मिले वहाँ से and काफ़ी earning भी हुई. Although my first client and my first experience with the client was not good, I will tell you in some other video. But yes, that platform was really good, and the sad part is that Urban Clap partner is not entertaining graphic designers anymore. So that is all I wanted to tell you in this video, that how I started my freelancing journey in graphic designing. And if you would ask me how can you start your freelancing journey, as of now I can only suggest you work on your portfolio, publish your portfolio on such platforms like Behance. I have a separate video on that, and publish your work on social media, reach out to organizations, non-profit organizations, and use sites like Upwork and Fiverr for freelancing work. So that is all from my end, and if you have any questions related to freelancing, social media and productivity, then do let me know in the comment section. Also, I'm shooting without specs after so long. I'll see you in the next one. Till then, please do take care of yourself. Bye bye.